Mac and cheese on the menu, you need to try this baked mac and cheese with panko topping. It is divine. Creamy and gooey, yet nice and crisp and crunchy on top. To start, make your panko topping, which is just panko, dried Italian seasoning, flaky salt, black pepper, and melted butter. Get your pasta boiling. This is the shape I prefer. And then start on your cheesy sauce. You're going to work on a roux first, which is just butter and flour. And then you're going to add milk. Once it's creamy, go ahead and start adding your cheeses. Make sure to shred your own cheese. It makes a difference. I'm using a mix of Sharp Cheddar, Gruyere, and Smoked Gruyere because I just love a smoked cheese. And then I add some mustard, garlic powder, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. And then that cheesy sauce is done and ready for that beautiful pasta. Mix together the pasta with the cheese sauce and then add half of that to a baking dish. Top it off with more shredded cheddar cheese because this is mac and cheese. And then top it off with more of that pasta and the Gruyere cheese. And of course, finish it off with that panko topping. And look at the final product once it's baked. Literally creamy and gooey mac and cheese with that sophisticated, flavorful panko topping that just adds the perfect crisp on top. You need to try this mac and cheese recipe. You will not be disappointed.